Hi, welcome to YOLO Adventure. I'm Richard and I'm here to give you some tips on going on a cruise. Don't sail without these essentials if you're going on a cruise.
YOLO Adventure, live your dreams, chase the sunsets, follow streams. One life, one chance, come explore. YOLO Adventure, there's so much more. Dive in deep, climb up high, touch the stars, reach for the sky.
These things are really needed and they come in handy. First of all is a portable Wi-Fi router. Most cruise lines charge a nominal rate for a Wi-Fi, but I was turned on to a pocket-sized portable Wi-Fi router. Think of a travel router as your own private hub on the ship's network. Pay for the network on the internet for one device, but then you can share it with others. It works well, even though some people report that some ship lines don't allow them. One of my subscribers suggested a little known essential that I never knew existed, and that are magnetic hooks. She suggested packing magnetic hooks like these here, which you can use inside your cabin. Since most cabin walls are made of metal, you can stick hooks on the walls and give yourself some much needed extra space. It's a great way to help you to stay more organized inside your cabin. Most of us need outlets aplenty to charge all our devices and electronics. A power strip is always a good thing to have packed in your bag, but if you didn't know it, surge-protected power strips are prohibited by cruise lines. So what you should do is pack a power strip that's not surge-protected and be compliant. This one has 3 AC outlets, 3 USB-A outlets, 1 USB-C port, and is not surge-protected. It's so irritating when you're on your beach towel, continually slides down on your pool chair. If you plan to spend time poolside on the cruise, you'll be glad you packed these tiny little clips to keep your towel nice and secure so you can focus on rest and relaxation. You can buy these on Amazon if you choose, and the link will be below. I never travel without a wet bag. This zip-top waterproof bag can be used in a multitude of ways to carry anything, but it's specifically for wet items. If you're heading to the pool or a beach or plan on changing, you just throw your wet bathing suit in the bag, zip it up until you're able to wash it and dry it. If you have wet items to pack before you head home, you'll be glad you'll have them. They're washable and they won't leak, and even can be used for dirty shoes or anything else you want to keep separate from the rest of your clothes in your suitcase. One of the things that's a real problem in traveling is wrinkled clothes. I loathe going out in wrinkled clothes. While my clothes may wrinkle as the day goes on, leaving home or my cabin in this instance and started the day in wrinkled clothes has never felt right for me. Since irons are prohibited aboard cruise ships because they are a fire hazard, pack some Downy wrinkle release spray to help eliminate wrinkles. Plus it works as an anti-static spray and it can eliminate odors if necessary. The pandemic was a nightmare for everybody. As a true blue germaphobe, I've been training for this my whole life without even realizing it. I now carry these Clorox wipes that will disinfect your airplane seats, your trays, your seat buckles, disinfectant everything. These days, the hand sanitizers are very, very important travel must, especially on a cruise ship. We've all had reasons that our trips have been canceled to change, so I recommend travelers should verify their coverage with their health insurance carriers, and if it's not included in the insurance you currently have or your homeowners or your medical insurance, you should buy external travel insurance. For travel insurance, I have been using Allianz for years and find them to be good. For an extensive medical insurance policy, if you have reason that you might need to be medical evacuated or something, I would then go to Travel Guard by AIG, and it's a wonderful coverage, and I've used it, and it works very well. The beauty of going on a cruise is that you don't need to pay for food or drinks as you go along. You might want to have some small bills on hand for tipping during other parts of your trip, like transportation, bellhops of your hotels and hotel housekeeping. I always travel with a pretty good stash of $2 bills for this purpose. With the proliferation of ATMs all over the world, it's really not necessary to carry a lot of cash. I do bring some bills to do some tipping, especially to my cabin attendants, if it's not included in the bill. And sometimes at a restaurant, if a waiter does something extra, I may slip them a couple of $2 bills and say thank you. It's very much appreciated, although it's not necessary. Hope you've enjoyed these tips on cruising. We love to cruise. I hope you followed our cruising earlier, where we did 5 months on the Silver Seas. It was wonderful. It was all documented. And please make sure you watch the Versailles one. We visited the palace in Versailles, and it was wonderful. So thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe. Hit that thumbs up arrow. Give us a comment. I address all comments that come. Hit that notification bell so you know the next time I post a new video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day and safe travels.
YOLO adventure.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you in the next video.
YOLO adventure. There's so much more.